Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to change this pad on a 2009 Nissan Altima. Alright, first you take the wheel off. I already did. Next you get a 14 socket and a wrench, and you pull this bolt, turn it out. Then you raise this. It can go back like this, just like that. Then you pull this pad out. Just like that. It's really low. Next on it, to get a screwdriver and help me take it out. This is a flathead screwdriver, which is between the brake and the rotor. And pry it out. And then I will be using the G clamp to push back the piston in, because it's a new disc pad, so it's bigger. I use the old disc pad to give me a base to put this piece of the G clamp on a flat surface. While I turn it, the piston will go back in. As you can see, good. Now I'll be installing the new disc pad. This one with this pin goes to the back. It's like when the disc pad get low, you touch the rotor and make the noise to tell you know that the disc pad is finished or need to be changed. They gave us a wrong. You should have two of these, one in the front, one in the back on both disc pad. I only have one, so push it in that little, I don't know if you can see this little pin. Push it right here, and then you slide the disc pad in. Just like that. This one should have another pin too, but it don't, so I'll still use it. Like that. And then you come down with the piston over it. And then tighten back your bolt. This is a 14. Just like that. Please like, share, subscribe. Like this video if you want to see more video. And you gotta pump your brake when you finish in your disc pad.